90 days ago, my body was a locked hinge. Rigid, guarded, bracing for an impact that never actually came, day after day. It took 90 days of getting this wrong before I finally understood what my body actually needed to change. Today, that same body moves like rope, not steel. Loose where it used to lock up tight every single morning. For years, I chased strength in straight lines. Bench, squat, deadlift. Repeat without asking why. My posture looked perfect on the gym mirror. Yet it was quietly wrecking me. Joints felt glued shut. Stretching gave nothing back. So I stopped training muscles in isolation. I targeted the connective web underneath instead. The chronic stiffness vanished. This is how that happened. Traditional lifting keeps you in one plane. Up, down, straight lines. But your body isn't just muscle stacked directly on bone. It's wrapped, completely, in one continuous living web. Centuries ago, anatomists called it packing material, something to slice through and discard. Straight-line training does the exact same thing to you. It isolates the muscle and ignores the web entirely.
That blind spot has survived decades of coaching and research.
And it's exactly why I got stiffer every single year, instead of stronger, looser, and more genuinely free. This blind spot didn't start in a modern gym. It began in a very different laboratory. Every gym poster and textbook shows you the exact same picture. Separate, isolated muscles stacked on bones. We are conditioned to train these parts like separate pieces of a machine. Isolate the muscle. Fix the problem. But if you physically tear away that red meat, you do not find a pile of loose bones underneath. You find one continuous, unbreakable tension web. It wraps and connects every single piece of your anatomy. Your bones do not rest on each other. They float, suspended by this webbing. Pull on one single corner of this matrix, and the entire web reacts. Absolutely nothing works in isolation. Traditional lifting ignores this. Recognize the fascia, and you can finally start fixing it. Zoom in, and you find 3 materials: collagen, elastin, and ground substance. Collagen gives tensile strength. Elastin provides the snapback. Ground substance keeps everything sliding smoothly. When healthy, that ground substance fully lubricated. Muscles and nerves glide past each other without friction. Inside that web live specialized cells called fibroblasts. They sense mechanical force and physically respond to it. Load them correctly and consistently, and they lay down new collagen. Organized, strong, aligned with the pull. This is mechanotransduction. Force goes in, and new, living, resilient tissue comes back out. Vertical loading barely reaches this mechanism. Multiplanar movement switches it on. That's the real mechanism behind every ache and every recovery you've ever felt. Not magic, just biology responding. Understand that single mechanism. The hidden cost of straight-line training becomes completely obvious. Here's the hidden cost nobody talks about. A skeleton stacked like bricks would shatter the moment you ran. Every single foot strike sends shock straight up your entire skeleton. Bricks can't absorb that. A tensioned web can. So there's no single correct military posture. There's only dynamic equilibrium. Slump forward at a desk long enough, and your bones stop supporting your weight entirely, hour after hour. The fascia along your entire back becomes a bungee cord, straining non-stop just to hold you upright. Eventually, the ground substance dries out. Fibers cross-link into dense knots. The tissue literally glues itself together over time. This process is called fibrosis. It feels like stiffness. Left unaddressed, it limits mobility and increases strain and injury risk. Here's the real twist. Your muscles were never actually tight. Your fascia is glued from a lack of variability. Traditional gym routines, moving in straight, isolated lines, never touch that lack. Restore multiplanar movement, and the stiffness disappears on its own. Passive stretching changes nothing, because it cannot reach the glue. This is the cost the fitness industry rarely mentions, because straight lines are simpler to sell, market, and coach. Here is the 3-phase protocol that fixed it. Phase 1. Morning rehydration. 5 to 10 minutes. 2 minutes of relaxed, rhythmic bouncing every morning. Just enough to pump fluid through the entire fascial network. Then multi-directional shearing across the tissue. Don't just roll up and down. Move across the fibers to melt them. Phase 2. Lifestyle variability. 30 minutes barefoot on uneven ground. Your back line starts at the sole of your foot. Uneven terrain forces micro-adjustments. Accumulate 1 to 2 minutes of passive hanging daily, off any sturdy bar. It restores glide to your shoulder fascia. In the evening, swap the couch for the bare floor. Floor sitting forces you to constantly shift position. Water only enters fascia if movement drives it there. Like a sponge, squeezed and then slowly released. Phase 3. Remodeling under load, folded into your normal strength work. 2 to 3 times a week. Slow eccentrics on every lift. 4 to 5 seconds lowering the weight. This pulls messy fibers into organized lines. Loaded end-range stretching at the very bottom. Hold that position under the full weight of your own body. Add rotational cable movements too, once a week. They target the spiral lines crossing directly through your midline. The golden rule of the entire protocol. Muscle adapts in weeks. Fascia adapts in months, sometimes years. You cannot rush the loading phase, no matter how motivated you feel. There is no shortcut through connective tissue. Each phase alone helps a little. Together, morning rehydration, barefoot loading, and slow eccentrics rebuild the entire matrix. Train the matrix, not just the muscle. Done right, the stiffness vanishes, and your posture corrects itself without forcing it. This isn't about looking disciplined anymore. This is about moving like the animal you were built to be. I spent years bracing my body like it was armor plating. Now, I finally let it move like water instead. This same tensioned web holds your joints together for decades of your life. That story is far bigger than posture. Next time, we explore what this means for longevity and aging. Stop bracing. Start moving. Your body was never a stack of bricks.